we're going to do Fast Track Drums 12 Great Grooves, and we're going to do all 12 of them in order from 1 through 12. I'm going to use a tempo of 80, which is going to be that fast, and that's a good starting tempo for most anybody. You could go a little slower, but this is going to maintain a good sort of normal, maybe rock feel, rock groove that we want. So that's where we're starting. With the right hand on all 12 of these, you're either going to do one of two things, either eighth notes like number 1, right? That would be our steady eighth notes. Or if we're doing quarter notes, it's just going to be the beats. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's put that all together. And here's number 1. 1, 2, ready, go. Now number 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, number 3. Now we go back to eighth notes in the right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. Back to the quarter notes. Number 4, 2, ready, go. Number 5, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 6, back to quarter notes in the right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. Now number 7 in the second column. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 8. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 9. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 10. 1, 2, ready, go. Number 11. 1, 2, ready, go. Last one, number 12. 1, 2, ready, go. And I kind of wanted to rush that last one. It's easy to do. So with any of these, a really good technique to break it up and work on sort of half of it at a time or a third of it at a time would be, we have the 3 parts of the kit, right? We got the kick, snare, and the hi-hat that we're using. So you could just go over that 8th note again, or quarter notes, you know, with your metronome. Just get used to doing that. Or you could just practice the kick and the snare only to get to that part of the groove in your head, just like number 1, 2, ready, go. This is number 1. And then of course, if you're just starting, you know, we just want to get used to using the right hand on the hi-hat, just like you saw me doing, of course. And the left hand should always be hitting the snare. At least if your drum set is set up in the same way that mine is, which is how they typically are set up. And so that's about it for this video. So I hope that was helpful.